What's up, guys? This is my BMX bike chick, and it's a white DK. Well, I painted it white. It's a DK frame with Haro bars, and I just taped them with camouflage tape. I got ODI, black ODIs. Got a Haro stem, and I don't know, I just purchased this. It was the cheapest headset. It's a pig, they call it. It's weird. I got Haro front rim, purple. Used to have brakes on it, that's why it's scratched up. I got a 2.240 in the front, Haro La Misa. I got original forks, I don't know what they are. I got a Haro seat with a Odyssey clamp, I think it is called. I don't know, I remember I purchased some, but I don't know what the cranks are. Got Odyssey pedals, my dad's old ones. I got a 2.195 tire. It's a Hent Shin tire, and I got another purple rim, Haro in the back, 9-tooth hub, really nice. Try it right now. Ah, crap. Yeah, I'll do it later. It's hard for me because I have my right hand holding. But yeah, I got just an ordinary chain, Haro sprocket, and yeah, that's it for my bike check. Hope you guys enjoyed. And let me do it. Crap. Oh, then. Nice. Thank you guys for watching.